Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Festivities were well underway over the weekend as Chilitos, the Mexican restaurant, hosted their Cinco de Mayo celebration for the 12th time. This year, the Mexican-Jamaican fusion restaurant partnered with Bear Giants Heineken in giving patrons an unforgettable experience. Cinco de Mayo, which is Spanish for 5th of May, is an annual celebration observed in Mexico to commemorate the Mexican Army's victory over the French Empire in 1862. The restaurant and popular hangout spot, however, has been using the day to expose customers to some of their Mexican culture. For the first time, the event featured an extended dining area and dedicated bar on the outside.
It's really nice. I'm enjoying it. It's a different vibe to the usual Chilitos atmosphere, but I like it.
It's really fun here. Usually I'm not used to celebrating Cinco de Mayo in the Caribbean, so I really love this whole vibe.
11th staging of Cinco de Mayo here in Kingston. This is the second one in this location, but we've been running it since 2007 back at our old location at 64 Hope Road. The turnout's been greater than we imagined. We had a spectacular turnout last year, so this year we decided to really do the event justice and to give it the kind of organic growth that Heineken came on board and allowed us to do this massive expansion to allow us to do our indoor-outdoor vibe here and pull it off, and I think we did.
Turnout has been tremendous. I think we're just overwhelmed at the amount of people that are here right now. We have our Bergaritas on special. We have ice cold Heineken on special. We have our sombrero hats and just a lot of giveaways for fans that are here tonight.
Grammy-nominated band Raging Fire is putting the final touches on their new album titled Coming in Hot. No release date was announced for the upcoming project, but the group has given reggae fans a treat with the release of their new track titled Rebel. The track will be featured on the upcoming project, which is to be a follow-up to their third album, Everlasting, that was released back in 2016. In addition to working on the album, the group is gearing up to embark on a short tour dubbed Marching Order Spring in the US for 10 days. The tour will also feature Hawaiian roots reggae band The Green and Ayaterra. The Marching Order Spring Tour will start in Austin, Texas, and will see reggae band making stops along the West Coast in Corpus Christi, Las Vegas, Scottsdale, Ventura, as well as others, and will close at the Cali Roots Festival in California on May 27. On May 6th, New York's Metropolitan Museum of Arts rolled out the red carpet for the Met Gala, the annual opening party for its spring exhibition. Celebrities including politicians, models, fashion moguls, actors, actresses, music artists, and other industry players are among those who were outdressed to the theme of this year's show, dubbed Heavenly Bodies, Fashion and the Catholic Imagination. Singers Katy Perry, Cardi B, and event's co-host Rihanna were said to have worn some of the night's most outstanding pieces. Apart from being one of the industry's most prestigious fashion showcases, the dinner gala also serves as a fundraiser for the museum's Costume Institute. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.